To make the origami flapping bird, you have to get the square piece of a paper and fold it diagonally from both sides. Now you have to do a straight fold from the both sides. Now go to the triangle line you have made and fold the paper like this. From the other edge also. Now you have to fold it from the tip to the above edge. From the other side also. The first one will be a bit difficult, but the others are simple. Now close it and flip the page and do the same thing with this side. Fold the right corner and then fold the left corner. Now close it and open it from the side and pull the edge above. And then close it. Do this with the other side also for its head and tail. Now fold the wings up, the other wing also. Fold the wing down with a little place for holding. Now make an inside reverse fold to make its head. And our flapping bird is ready. In order to flap its wings, pull its tail above like this.